Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can install HDO box in Hisense Smart TV. So there are multiple methods, but I will show you this method very simple and easy. As you can see, HDO box is not officially available in App Store. Therefore you have to follow external method to install HDO box in your Hisense Smart TV. So what will be that method? First of all, open your TV, go to your TV settings, and then device preferences, then security, and enable unknown sources. You have to enable this unknown sources so that your TV allow the installation of HDO box. Now download the HDO box APK file. You can download it by opening any browser, by visiting the official website of HDO box, where you can download the APK file. Now once you download the APK file, just transfer it to your USB and then connect your USB with your Hisense Smart TV, and then simply use File Manager to locate and install the APK. Once you connect your USB with your TV, just locate and install the APK file in your TV. Once you install it, just launch the app from your TV app drawer. So this is the simple method that you can follow. Thank you for watching.